Find or read reviews that people are talking about Aceup Energy Electric Pressure Washer, 3500 psi, 2.4 GPM, power washer for cars, fences, and patios. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that 3500 psi high pressure washer and 2.4 GPM water flow, 120 volts with handle for cleaning even the most stubborn grime quickly and effortlessly, such as cars, bicycles, fences, boats and yard. Total stop system pump automatically shuts off when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. The safety lock protects kids from accidentally triggering the spray gun. Equipped with 36 feet power cable with US plug, 23 feet high pressure hose, 4 quick connect tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, foam nozzle, foam cannon, inlet connector with filter, threaded connector. Easy installation in minutes. Please make sure all hoses and cleaner connections are correctly and securely fastened before using the portable pressure washer. All Aceup Energy Power Washer are functionally tested in the factory to guarantee quality, all compliant, backed by a 2-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical guidance from experts. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.